Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talk Politics and Gemma Bharti. Today's new topic discuss and recently the future of democracy in the digital age. How is social media shaping political participations and public opinions? Can democracy survive the rise of AI and digital surveillance? How can technology used strengthen democratic institutions? What role do tech companies play in the participating or understanding democracy? How can democracies cooperate globally to manage the digital revolution? In detailed analysis, platform platform like Twitter, X, Facebook and TikTok now influence elections and protest protest detailed analysis. Let's do a detailed analysis how to platform like Twitter, Facebook and TikTok influence elections and protest in the digital age. This topic is central to understanding the future of democracy in 2025 and beyond. The role of social media platforms, elections and protests, shaping public opinions and political communications. Direct access to voters, political leaders now communicate with citizens, bypass traditional media house, media filter. Former US President Donald Trump's and used to Twitter and Truth Social, and India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi use Twitter and X campaigns on digital media. What benefit of social media in elections? Real-time messaging platform enable instant update, shaping narratives quickly during the elections cycles or protests. Professionalized campaigns, data analysis and algorithms, how targeted political advancing, often micro targeted to a specific demographic or emotional profiles. Increase engagement but can also soft misinformations and emotional manipulations. The political power, algorithms and algorithm curation. The platform prioritize content that drives engagement, often sensational or polarizations, echo chambers, mainly to informations align with their views, reinforcing basis and deepening political devices. Filter bubbles, citizens see different versions of truth, making consequences and rational debates harder. Example, during the 2016 elections, US elections, algorithms implications to fake news influenced voter perceptions. What is different? Misinformations and disinformations and deepfakes. Misinformations, false information shared without intent to harm. Disinformations, deliberate spread of falsehoods, manipulate public opinion, etc. Deepfakes, AI generated video or voices that can disturb voter impact. undermines trust in democratic processes and institutions. Examples: flash news on Facebook during the Brexit referendum and 2016 US elections. Mobilizations and grassroots activisms, protests and movements. Social media helps citizens organize and coordinate movement. Examples: Arab Spring 2011, Facebook and Twitter as mobilization tools, Black Lives Matters 2020, hashtag activism and global solidarity. Hong Kong protest 2019, encrypted messaging app and digital organizations. Digital empowerment, give a voice marginalized groups, allowing decentralized activisms. Positive impact of digital movement, strengthen participatory democracy and citizens' engagement. Challenges in digital empowerment. Governments can also monitor and suppress movements using the same platform. Manipulations and foreign interference. Informations warfare. Recently, this tactic used in period of Operation Sindoor's time, Pakistan's use of amount fake news in social medias spread. Foreign actors use social media to influence elections. Example: US influenced an government coup in Bangladesh and Myanmar, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Various examples in information warfare and boost and trollings. Automated accounts spread propaganda and hate speech.
सदी टैग ड्रिवन, डेटा ड्रिवन सदी है। बीते दशक में भारत में इंटरनेट यूजर्स की संख्या करीब 4 गुना बढ़ी है। डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन में तो नए रिकॉर्ड बन रहे हैं और ये तो अभी शुरुआत है। भारत दुनिया को डेमोक्रेसी, डेमोग्राफी और डेटा की असली ताकत दिखा रहा है। भारत ने दिखाया है कि कैसे डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी का डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन हर क्षेत्र, हर वर्ग को फायदा पहुंचा रहा है। भारत का यूपीआई, भारत का बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर स्कीम सिस्टम, जेम, गवर्नमेंट ई मार्केट प्लेस, ओएनडीसी, ओपन नेटवर्क फॉर डिजिटल कॉमर्स, ऐसे कितने ही प्लेटफॉर्म हैं जो डिजिटल इकोसिस्टम की ताकत को दिखाते हैं।
So they empower citizens by promoting misinformations, polarizations and manipulations. The future of democracy in the digital age will depend on digital literacy among citizens, ethical responsibility of tech companies, and a strong regulatory framework ensuring transparency and accountability. Misinformations, echo chambers, polarizations, online activism, and the role of algorithms. Misinformations, false or misleading information spread online often unintentionally impact, confuses voter spreads fear and damages trust in democracy. Example: fake news during the elections. Example: false claims about candidates. Overall, this is solutions: fact-checking, media literacy, and stricter rejections of online content. Second one, echo chamber, online speech, where using only see content that matches their beliefs. Causes, algorithms show posts similar to what users already like or follow. Limit exposures to diverse views, weakens critical thinking and deepen divisions in society. Polarizations, growing divisions between political or social groups. Role of digital media, emotional extreme content is spread faster. People from us versus them attitude. Harder to reach compromise or rational debates in democracy. Online activism, using social media to support causes, organize protest or spread awareness. Positive side of online activism, empowers citizens, spread awareness quickly, gives voice to marginalized groups. Negative side of online activism can lead to selectivism, symbolic actions with little real impact, or online harassment. Example, METOO, hashtag Black Lives Matter and climate activism, Twitter. Role of algorithm, computer program that decided what content users see, purposes keep users engaged while showing personalized content, prioritize sensational or emotional posts, fuels misinformations and polarizations, transparency, regulations and users' control over the algorithms feeds. Governments and corporations use AI for surveillance, facial recognitions and data collections. Threat to privacy and civil rights. AI-powered surveillance and facial recognitions can track individuals without consent, leads to loss of privacy, misuse of personal data and possible human right violation. Risk of digital authoritarianism. Governments may use AI to monitor citizens, control dissent, suppress oppositions. Example, mass surveillance systems and social credit programs in some countries. Corporate data exploitation. Big tech companies collect huge amount of user data to train AI models and targeted ad. Rises ethical concerns about data ownership and manipulations of consumer behavior. Privacy versus security manipulations, thought, AI-driven propaganda and digital authoritarianism. Detailed analysis. Privacy versus security. In the digital era, government use AI and surveillance technologies to maintain national security, but this often comes at the cost of citizens' privacy. What this issue? Mass data collection. Governments collect citizens' online data, phone recording and local informations to detect crime or terrorism. Facial recognition, used in public speech to identify suspect, but also monitors ordinary citizens. Data misuse. Sensitive information can be leaked, hacked, or used for political targeting.